Hello viewers, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will share a few profound insights I learned from a spiritual experience during a very deep meditation session. I gently closed the door to my room and slipped in my earbuds to block out the world's clamor. The room plunged into darkness as I extinguished the lights. Seated upon my plush beanbag sofa, I closed my eyes and embarked on a journey of meditation in profound silence. Within this meditative state, profound insights coursed through my consciousness. 1. The body mirrors a universe unto itself. 2. Every sight I perceive encompasses infinite universes, with each atom cradling boundless worlds. 3. All universes and dimensions converge within me, becoming one with my essence. 4. My imagination knows no bounds. I can manifest whatever I conceive. 5. Reality itself is but a creation of my mind, a vivid hallucination. 6. I transcended my corporeal form and, like a cosmic observer, beheld a menu of universes and dimensions before me, each waiting to be explored. 7. I possess the power to fashion and traverse any dimension. 8. Every thought, every spark of imagination emanated from the very core of my being. 9. This world, this concept of Jawad, is merely a figment of my thoughts and imagination. 10. I am pure awareness, an eternal witness to all dimensions and all experiences. 11. There is no true death. From me, life perpetually springs forth and returns. 12. I was simultaneously experiencing myself across all dimensions, a symphony of existence. 13. It was my choice to descend into this world, to explore, to relish, and to assist others in awakening from their suffering. 14. Pain, sorrow, fear, emotions, happiness, love. These mysteries demanded exploration. 15. My heart overflowed with compassion for my family. Tears welled up as I realized the pain I may have caused. I yearned to embrace them, cry alongside them, seek forgiveness, extend aid, and shower them with love. Profound remorse engulfed me for not loving them more. 16. Bad people, I comprehended, were simply victims of inadequate love. 17. Wherever consciousness or divinity cast its gaze, creation proliferated into infinite subdivisions. 18. Infinity itself resided within each atom. 19. I reached a precipice where I could choose to leave behind my human form at will, entering God's eternal embrace. Yet, tethered by love and the fear of separation from my world and family, I returned. 20. I opted to return, motivated by love for others, driven to alleviate their suffering, and eager to continue exploring and savoring existence. 21. The ultimate guidance I received was crystal clear. Question everything, your feelings, your thoughts, all of it. This transformative meditation granted me a profound understanding of the universe within and around me, illuminating the path towards self-discovery and the quest for universal truth. That's it for this video. Take care. Bye-bye.